So by now we have defined the project, we have measured the current performance or the performance of the current process, we have analyzed that process, and now we want to improve that. Now let's go back to the same example. Now we want to take some steps to improve our process, which was giving 10% defect to 2% defects. So we need to do something about that process, and based on the analysis which we have done, we will take number of steps. In this yellow belt course, we will be briefly talking about these improvement techniques. One is Kaizen and Kaizen Blitz. Second, general concept of PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act cycle. We will talk about that, and we will talk about cost benefit analysis. So whatever steps you are taking to improve, whether there is a benefit involved in that, how much does that cost and how much is the benefit. So you really cannot make any improvement unless you know that how much it's costing you and what's the benefit you're going to get out of that. So these few techniques we will be learning in the improve phase of this course.